Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Lasauce, and we about to go into YFM right now, and we're gonna do what we do best, and that's Lasauce.
3, 2, 1.
She's the latest addition to Ambitious Entertainment. Her name is Lasauce. You good, Lasauce?
I am great. How are you?
We awesome. So, what's your real name? You know, if your name is Lasauce.
My real name is Cindy Siwe Makoso, and I come from the hood, which is Durban.
Oh, you want to
say
get
Lisa, because that's the hood.
Yeah, but in Kumetegwini, and yeah, I'm just here to do music.
Now, I've been telling people you Leo. Like, how old are you?
I am 18.
18. Turning 19.
Turning 19 this year.
See, Tepi, I tell you, 98 is the way to go.
Well, you still can't get into clubs.
What you mean?
Home into clubs.
23! Last time I checked, 18 was the number.
Exactly.
Let's talk about your music career. I mean, let's talk about getting into music. Why did you decide to get into music, and when did you realize when you're 18 you're still a future? Okay. So when did you decide to get into music?
Actually, music has always been a thing I loved all the time. So I think the fact that when I finished school, I thought, okay, this is what I want to do. It's just where I jumped to. Yeah, I love music, so yeah.
What kind of music do you do?
Lasauce does pop.
Yeah.
But not the pop that everybody knows.
What kind of pop?
It's the exciting kind of pop. As my name says, Lasauce. It's not just a name.
I was gonna ask why the name also,
it's
but
it's not just a name. Lasauce means a lot in terms of my music. Pop. The fact that I do pop. When you link it to Lasauce, it means that the pop is gonna be saucy, of course. And it's something that's rare, something that people don't usually hear, like as in Shilompumetegwini, so I'm gonna bring the Durban kind of vibe, you know? Yeah, it's something like that.
I also heard from a little birdie that you want to do way more than sing as well. You're also getting into dancing. You've got Bushe as well. Who's, is that a secret?
No, actually, well, it was.
Oh well, honey, my birdies talk, okay? So I heard Bushe is also training you, and you guys are working together when it comes to the dancing side. Let's talk about that.
Actually, Newton, I have been working a lot in terms of my first single. I'm sure you've heard it, Cooler Bag. We're working on moves for my video on that, which is quite great. And yes, I'm not actually only doing music. I'll be doing a lot. Probably my aim is to corrupt the scene.
Be a triple threat, honey.
Corrupt the scene. It's about to go down.
And you're joining a stable that has a truckload of talented acts. One can't ignore what Ambitious Entertainment is about and the artists and the caliber of artists part of the stable. What do you bring that's totally different?
What do I bring? I bring a whole lot of things. I will always mention Lasauce. I will just always mention Lasauce to everything I say, because I feel like people are starting to think that Lasauce is a name that fades out somehow. But Lasauce actually does explain my career, because in the genre of pop, I'll be bringing a lot of different languages. I've been in an environment with a very diverse family, diverse languages, so I will be bringing a lot of languages into one genre, which is pop. And I don't only do pop, which is I do everything.
Yeah.
I do everything. Give me a trap beat, I'm gonna kill it. Give me a gum, I'm gonna kill it.
I like that. I always find young talents that come into the industry so fascinating, because I always also ask, do you have someone to mentor you and show you about the industry? Because this industry is rough, contrary to what people think. Do you have someone who's keeping you level-headed? I see they're saying, me. And what do they tell you about this industry? Are you ready for it? Are you ready for everything that comes with it?
Actually, as knowing myself, I would say I was born ready.
Okay.
I was born ready, and yes, the industry can tend to be a bit rough and unfair, and just that kind. But I feel like I'm ready for everything. As a person, you need to know yourself and know your strengths and weaknesses, and know where you actually stand.
Okay, cool stuff, man. Want to give us a snippet of what you're about, like a young something?
Young something. Okay.
Yeah. Not all of it, just a little bit.
A little bit. I'm gonna give you the first line of my song Cooler Bag, which is the best part of my whole song, which is "Bits I nice in the cooler bag." Ask me about that line, please.
Oh, spend someone nice in the cooler bag.
What does it mean?
We should see in
But
design.
that's nice.
Yeah. So yeah, my first single is all about nice
Yeah.
things. Yeah.
Cool stuff, man. Her name is Lasauce, 19-year-old. Well, she turns 19 this year. New edition and Ambitious Entertainment. All the best of luck in your career. We'll be looking forward to your music on the playlist.
You will find a lot of me, see a lot of me, and get a lot of me.
Oh, all right. Hi, complain.
Hey.
Your social media feed?
You can catch me at Lasauce on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and we do what we do best, and that's the sauce.
That's what's up, man. Her name is Lasauce. Don't forget that.